So I saw this thing on this tree, and I'm wondering what it was. Then I look inside, thinking it was an Oriole's nest, but it doesn't have the Oriole's nest part. It actually is a hummingbird's nest, because I realized that it's stuck with like this kind of stuff and everything, and it's like the exact same shape and it hangs the exact same way. I've never seen one, and it's really tiny, but at first I thought it was a Oriole's nest, but it's really not. It's old, so there's actually nothing in it. But literally, I thought it was Oriole's nest, but then I thought, well, it's not big enough exactly. And oh my god, it's a hummingbird's nest. Haha, that's cool. Because it has the thing. The hole at the top. The Oriole's nests do not have a hole at the top. That was cool. I've seen all kinds of cool things today. But yeah. Just like in the middle of the woods. You know, like the barn owl nest thing. Nothing actually came. That was pretty cool. See, I thought it was an Oriole's nest, but it wasn't. It didn't look like it, so I was kind of confused. And then I looked at it, and I remember. See, I have a. Oh, that's kind of cool. A fungus. It was kind of interesting because it didn't have the it wasn't the full nest, and it wasn't attached the same. And then I realized, because I looked in my book, it was a hummingbird nest. A hummingbird nest. I never thought I would see something like that. Oh, that was so cool. I would have never thought I would ever see something like that. And they're so tiny too. Like, it was like about the size of the palm of my hand, about. It was really cool. But yeah, oh, hello. Oh, you can't see, there's some deer right there. Hello. Wait, you're the same two deer that I saw before. Aren't you gonna... You look injured. Are you okay? I'm really close to these deer, guys. Like, this is... like, without much zoom at all. Hello. I'm kind of scared. Oh, there they go. I thought maybe one of them was injured. They weren't. But that's like a little mini vlog for today. My Cornell ornithology hat on. Anyway. So this is kind of like a little vlog, I guess, for today. I saw all kinds of cool things. I went in the swamp and literally, see, these are my boots. I love these things. I wear them every day. The water was literally almost at the top of my boots. Like, literally. Like, within a few inches from the top of my boots. It was actually quite scary. A little bit. But it was actually kind of cool. Because there were like hundreds and hundreds of toads. Not frogs, but toads. And they were in the water. Which, toads, are amphibians. They're more land. Toads are land, frogs are water. But then they were in the water, but I could tell that they were that they were toads because they had the rough, bumpy skin, and the frogs have this smooth, flat, silky kind of skin. But it was the coolest thing ever. I've been in the woods for 3 hours now. I'm heading back to my house. I'm actually not too far. My house is like up there. But that would be kind of interesting to make like a little mini vlog out of this. So, all kinds of cool things. I got to catch some frogs and stuff today. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, subscribe if you're not subscribed. And, please comment and like on my videos. I'll see you guys later. See ya.